to a training workshop that includes a free meal, a smartphone watch, and a USB drive loaded with Nick's powerful information as free gifts just for attending. Call 800-219-4803. That's 800-219-4803. Call now.
Now it's ours. It's hot as hell, and these same dirty bikers have sold hundreds of new and used motorcycles to customers just like you who wanted to buy a Harley Davidson at a fair price from a guy that rides and knows what the hell he's talking about. The proof is in the numbers. We've gone from the number 500th ranked volume dealer to number 381 in just 5 months. Now through the end of August, join us for our march to the top of it. We want you to help us become the #1 dealer in California. Come in, take a test drive, get 0% financing on any new Harley Davidson motorcycle, and stop dreaming and start riding today. Call 844-326-5711 for details. We're located on Sherman Way in Canova Park, or visit us online at toplockerhd.com.
Create the kitchen of your dreams. At Pacific Sales, choose from an unbelievable selection of entry-level to luxury kitchen appliances, as well as faucets and sinks. Brands like Sub-Zero, Wolf, Viking, Commodore, KitchenAid, Whirlpool, GE, and more. The expert staff is here to help. Visit PacificSales.com for a location near you. Unbelievable selection, expert service, unbeatable price. Pacific Sales. Sub-Zero and Wolf not available at Pacific Sales inside Best Buy stores.
Because you can't see Goosebumps over the radio, the only way to understand the thrill of owning a Lexus is to drive one. At the Golden Opportunity Sales Event, get great offers.